Systeme.io landing page tutorial. How to create a landing page with Systeme.io. Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can create landing pages using Systeme.io. Now, landing pages have a very different function as compared to a regular website. Landing pages usually only have call to actions to only one particular action. So a landing page might be telling you to buy an item or to, purchase a link or purchase a service or to subscribe to something. So landing pages are really focused in that, and Systeme.io can help you in building your own landing pages. So to do this, simply head on over to your Systeme.io account, and then you're going to click on funnels on the top. Once you click on funnels, click on create, and you're going to name this anything you want. This is going to be my free cheat sheet that I'm going to be creating. We're going to set a goal for our funnel. And you might wonder why we are using a sales funnel. The reason for that is because I just want to create a funnel where we are going to be able to really direct the purpose, because you're going to be suggested templates very specific if you go for selling or evergreen webinar or custom. So I like to just go with a very generalized form and then just click on save. Once you click on save and your funnel has now been created, click on the title of the funnel from the top left. Once you click on the title of the funnel, you will see your squeeze page, and your squeeze page is actually your landing page. So you guys can see that there are a bunch of different templates that will be suggested to you. You can just scroll down and just see a lot of different options that are going to be recommended. You can pick out the one that suits you the best. You can always just, delete all the content within those and, make your own customized style. But for my sales funnel, I wanted to be very directed towards purchasing or buying from a certain sale. So I want to promote my maybe summer sale or something along those lines. And I think I'm going to do this with this particular template. I think this looks pretty nice, or this one. Both of these are actually Christmas themed, but I think they would do well. So I'm going to click on select over here. And now once I do that, I can click on edit page. Now, once you click on edit page, here is where your work to design your landing page begins. So for our landing page, the first thing on the left, you will see elements, and then you will see blocks. And on the right, you will see a preview of what your page looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this logo because it's not relevant to me. I can go on ahead and select the logo and remove the image. Then I can upload my own image from here. I can click on select file and go into the image that I want to use as my logo. I will just open this up and I want to use this as my own logo. And I'll just click on insert. Now you will see that the image size is pretty large, so I'm going to decrease the image size like so. And then we can also set a overlay color if we so choose. Below that, we have our basic text, and I'm going to customize this text to say summer sale, or let's say our sapphire summer sale is here, like this. And then below that, we have from Dreambox. I don't need that, so I can directly just cut this text out. And you can click on the text box and then click on the delete icon on the top right to actually delete the text icons. So now after that, we are going to proceed with some descriptive text. So join us in elevating your closet like this. And then below that, we have a bunch of different section items. So if you don't want this block to be present within your particular template, you can just hold these items and click on delete. And you can delete these items if they are not relevant to you. Or if you only want to keep one of them, you can choose to only keep one as well. Click on delete, click on the item, and then click on delete over here to delete your item. Now, if you want, you can delete an entire section as well, but for this particular section, because it has been built in the form of a layout that is, singular, if you choose to delete the layout, you would have to delete the entire thing from the top as well. So I would have to just delete this manually. And if you want to ever change the overall sizing of your sections, you can also choose to do that as well. Now, let's say I don't want to, have a larger section on top or this entire picture section. I can just click on delete and delete the entire item like this. So we have this email registration below that, and I want to maybe customize this. So register to our summer sale. Our offer will expire in 48 hours. Grab it while you can. And now below that, I want to build my own email. So I'm going to add a content box at the bottom. And within that, I want to add maybe carousel images. I think I'm going to add a image like this. And then I will go on ahead and click on the image file and I will upload the image from our device over here. So I'm just going to be using this image like so, and then click on insert. Now, once I've inserted this, I can choose the size of the image that I want as well. And you can also choose the alignment. Let's say I want it to be left aligned. Then after that, I can add some text on the other side. Now, because this is laid out in the form of one singular block, I can always convert this into 2 columns by going ahead and adding a content block with 2 columns. And within this 2 columns, now I can go on ahead and add my image block, and then I can add my text block on the other side. So I'll go ahead and add my text, and now I can upload my image over here and then click on insert. And just like that, we now have a simple section with text and image, and I can rename this inspired by, let's say, whatever info I want to, retain or promote about my brand. So inspired by the seas, our summer line can now be yours with our exclusive discount, members only sale. Sign up to have a shopping spree of your life like this. And now I can also choose the alignment of the text by simply selecting the text and choosing the margins. I want 10 margins on all sides, and after that, I also want to add some spaces on top like this. So we can also customize the font styles and more. And once we have customized our landing page completely, we can just click on Save Changes, and ta-da, our landing page is now ready for Systeme.io. Now you can always go on ahead and add more elements if you so choose to do, but if you're satisfied, you can just go on ahead and go back into your funnels list. And once you go back into your funnels list, you can click on over here and remove other funnel steps. If you only want to keep this as a simple funnel, you can click on remove, and you will also just have a simple inactive page, and you will just have a direct link to your landing page. So I can click on copy, and now I can go on ahead and paste that link in, and my funnel page will appear, or my landing page will appear. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are now able to get started with building your own sales funnel or your own sales funnel landing page using Systeme.io. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.